How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly fix the problem with Gcash saying that your device is not secure. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So this problem is usually tied when the permission settings or the security settings on your phone aren't configured correctly. So what happens here is when you have Gcash installed and you try to log in and it gives you this prompt, it is usually because of that. Now, there are a couple of things that you guys can do to actually fix this, and I'll be getting to them right now. So, as it reads, your system has detected that your device is not secure. So, your device may be at risk due to a new security threat or issue. So, this problem usually arises when your settings or developer options aren't updated. So, normally when you try to install Gcash, by default, your phone is set to not install any download sources from any untrusted links. So you would need to disable this option, but only set for Gcash. Also, this may be because you guys may possibly have some installed applications on your phone that may be fishing for data, like off the top of my head, usually ad blockers come with spyware. So this way, Gcash actually detects that and does not want to install itself to protect your data. So the thing you can do is you could uninstall that software or any third-party software that you think may be suspicious or makes your phone susceptible to scams or being compromised. So that could be one, or it could also be because your device is jailbroken or rooted, but assuming that this is an unlikely cost, we should move on to the fix for this. So to actually fix this problem, you guys would have to disable like I said, the option to install from unknown sources. So to do so, basically follow this path here, go to your phone settings and search for unknown sources and apps. Now, there are cases where you may have to enable developer options first to display this option right here, the unknown sources and app. And when you do, you just want to basically enable this. So install any link or file from unknown sources and apps or untrusted sources. So it's actually different depending on whether you guys are an Android or iOS, but whatever. So once you have that in order for all apps, toggle the button to disable the setting. And once disabled, you should be able to successfully install Gcash and you wouldn't be getting this error anymore. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.